All right, let's talk a little bit about solving equations with polynomial expressions. We can use the distributive property and multiplying a polynomial by a binomial to solve equations. So let's check one out right here. So let's solve this big, long, bad, mamma jamma looking thing right here. Okay, so first thing you want to do is simplify both sides by distributing. So I'm going to distribute the 2a to this set, the 3a to this set of parentheses, the a to this set, and the 2a to this set. So if I do that, I would get the 2a times the 5 gives you 10a squared, times the negative 2 gives you minus 4a. The 3a times the 2a gives you 6a squared. The 3a times the 6 gives you 18a plus the 8. Distributing the a to the 4a plus 1 gives you 4a squared plus a. The 2a to the 6a minus 4 gives you 12a squared minus 8a. And then you just have plus 50. So now at the next step, we're going to combine some like terms. Notice here I have an a squared term and an a squared. Put those together, I get 16a squared. Minus 4a and 18a gives you 14a. And then just the constant 8. On this side, the 4a squared and the 12a squared gives you 16a squared. A minus 8a gives you minus 7a plus your 50. Now, I want to say something. You simplify each side of the equation before bringing variables on either side. Okay, so I didn't add the 10a, the 16a, the 4a, and the 12a all together, a squared, all together at once. I did each side of the equation separately. The next step is notice that you have a 16a squared on this side and this side. If I try to get them together, I'm going to subtract 16a squared from both sides, and they're going to cancel off, which would leave you with 14a plus 8 equals negative 7a plus 50. Now, if I add 7a to each side, you get 21a plus 8 equals 50. Subtract 8, then divide by 2, and you get a equal, or divide by 21 rather, and you get a equals 2. All right, and you can always check these by substituting what you get into the original equation. That's going to take some simplification. It looks kind of crazy plugging in all those 2's, but if you multiply and simplify it down, you end up getting 100 equals 100. All right, guys, here's 2 for you to try. Go ahead and pause the video. All right, we're back. So the first one, let's distribute the 2x. So you'd have 2x squared plus 8x plus 7 equals x plus 8. There's nothing to distribute there. Plus 2x squared plus 2x plus 12. Combine like terms. The left side, there's no like terms to combine, so you get 2x squared plus 8x plus 7 equals 2x squared. So took care of that. The x and the 2x gives you 3x, and the 8 and the 12 gives you plus 20. If I subtract 2x squared from both sides, those cancel, and I get 8x plus 7 equals 3x plus 20. Subtract 3x from both sides, you would get 5x plus 7 equals 20. Subtract 7 from both sides, you get 5x equals 13. Divide by 5, and you get 13 fifths, or 2 3/5. Okay, it's okay to get fractions, improper fractions, or mixed numbers for your answer. All right, the next one. Clear that off first. Distribute the d. So I have d squared plus 3d. Distribute the negative d here, be minus d squared plus 4d equals 9d minus 16. Now on the left side, when I combine like terms, these d squareds cancel each other out, and then the 3d and 4d will give you 7d equals 9d minus 16. Subtract 9d from both sides, you get negative 2d equals negative 16. Divide by negative 2, you get d equals positive 8. All right, and you can check by substituting 8 in and see that it actually works out. All right, guys, that's it for this section. Please continue on to your assignments, and as always, reach out if you have any questions. Take care.